Beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your October love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Saggy, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Yes, this is a timeless reading. This is a timeless reading, although it is for October. You can watch it anytime, friends, in the future, now, anytime. Also, friends, subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, friends, and please give these horoscope readings some views, friends, because if you are not interested, I don't want to do them in the if you want me to continue them, please subscribe, like, share, and let me know if this resonated with you. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. So let's see how your October will be. Let's see, friends. Let's see what's the theme of the month for Sagittarius. Let's see. Wow, your cards are already jumping out. I will take these cards. I'll shuffle them again because I haven't asked anything. What's the theme of the month for Sagittarius for October? Let's see. Then we'll look into your love life and your work and career. For Sagittarius, their love theme of the month. Wow. See, that card did came drop down, the Empress and the Transformation. Wow, friends, Sagittarius, you are going through big changes. Absolutely big changes. Yes, you are on the verge of healing something in October. Big healing. This is the month of healing, friends, Sagittarius. I do feel, you are healing. All fire signs are big time on healing this month. You are healing your connections, your personal relationships, your love life, definitely. And yes, wishes are going to come true. October is your wish come true month. Absolutely, Sagittarius. Yes, I do feel, friends, there are big changes in the month. Like some of you, this is the month of positive changes for you. How? In the way that some of you may be shifting the home, some of you may be leaving your old situation, some of you are moving into a new city, new homes, new work, new colleges, new work offices, new careers. You are changing big time. Some of you are married, you might be expecting a baby this month or in the future, so congratulations. If you are single, you could be meeting someone who is quite a destined partner for you, Sagittarius. Yes, and this person is a wish come true. And this person could be an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So your wishes are going to come true, Sagittarius. Big month for you. I also feel you will be working on starting new, starting, your focus is on your dreams, your goals, your ambitions, what you want to achieve in life. You will be working on that. It's a busy month. Absolutely. Let's see, Sagittarius, their love life. I also feel, friends, I haven't pulled the love life cards, but I do see if you are struggling in a marriage or a toxic relationship, you are going to find a relief, friend. Yes, absolutely. You are going to find a big relief and it will make you happy. And congratulations. I think some of you are struggling. Some of you are struggling with some sort of a toxic addiction in your own life. Whatever is unhealthy in your life, it will be changing for good, Sagittarius. And health, vitality will improve. So congratulations. Love life for Sagittarius in the month of October. Love life for Sagittarius. Let's see. The Three of Pentacles, the Temperance. Wow, the Sun. Yes, divine feminine, masculine is coming your way. A destined connection. Ooh, is coming your way, friends. The Moon. Yes. Nine of Swords. The Ace of Wands. Yes, friends, this is a positive new start in your love life. The Six of Pentacles. This is destined. This is a karmic blessing. This is your good karma. I absolutely feel, friends, you start the month feeling very friendly, or you will be having a lot of support from friends and family around you. Definitely, if you are in a relationship, things will be harmonious. Communications will open up and there will be a lot of talks going on, plans being made, a lot of things happening. I also feel, friends, this is your month of starting of the month. If you're single, you may meet someone through work. Yes. If you are single, you may definitely meet someone from work. If you are already in a marriage or a relationship or with somebody, yes, talks will be going on, plans made to meet each other or see each other, something like that. Someone is trying to message you. I see that at the start of the October. So yes, that's there. There is also temperance. Yes, starting of October will be very good for you. Things will be in balance. Your love life, your relationships will be balanced, and emotions and passions will be balanced, and they will be smooth. Your relationships will be smooth and positive. I also feel if you are in a twin flame relationship, you can expect your twin flame to message you, or you will get to meet your twin flame in the month of October face to face. If you are single, you could be meeting someone who is your twin flame, or a very divine destined partnership for you. This person is very beautiful. They are adventurous. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sag, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. This person is definitely very positive, and they will come as a positive light or as a positive influence in your life. I also feel, friends, if you are married, there is a chance of expecting a baby, or some news about your children. If you are married and already have children, some positive news regarding your children are coming. And if you are not married, if you are married but you don't have kids, you may be surprised to know you might have some kids, or you may plan, to start planning to expanding your family. I do feel, friends, there is a relationship for some of you that's not working properly, that has caused you a lot of heartache. I do feel you and this person is going to talk again in the month of October. Things will be positive. This person will come and message you. They will be more positive about this connection and about loving you. This person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do feel they will message you and they want to share their love, their affection for you. Yes, I do feel that Sagittarius, you may feel in the mid of the month like you can't trust this person, or past issues will reopen, friends. It is the theme for all the fire signs. Mid of the month isn't easy for you because Mercury is retrograde, and there is also Saturn moving direct, and Mercury retrograde is going to affect your relationships. So, friends, I do feel you will ask, your relationships could be tested. You may find something out in the mid of the month, which can affect you, or you may be worried about nothing, Sagittarius, because I do see your mind is at overwork in your relationships mid of the month. Definitely, if you are in a third party, you will not be happy about it. And if you don't know, you may know, something is hidden about your love relationships, which you may come to know in the mid of the month. And I also feel there may be nothing, but you may worry too much mid of the month. You will be worried about your relationships, like, oh, where is it going? Someone may also be a little judgmental about you or the relationship, or you may also be a little harsh about relationships. So you need to calm down there. I also feel some of you may end or move out of a toxic connection mid of the month, and as soon as that happens, a very new connection, a positive new start will happen in your life. Ace of Wands, something amazing is coming. So there are many messages here. Firstly, if you are in a relationship and it is not toxic or it is not bad, this you will find more passion in it after the mid-month challenges. Mid-month it will be tested, this relationship, but you will find success. You will come out of it stronger. But if you are in a toxic relationship, or that person isn't or you feel very judgmental about them, or they keep coming, twin flame relationship, runner chaser dynamics, you may try to move out in the mid of the month, and if you do so, you will find someone new. I also feel if you are single, you may meet someone in the starting of the month, but you may not like them. You may feel they are not you might not be able to trust that person. But I do feel this person will try to win you again mid of the month, and passions will be really high. I definitely feel some balance again will come back in your relationship, some karmic balance. I see past life influences are affecting your love life, Sagittarius. Whatever is happening right now, or whatever will end or shift or change in your love life, is because of some karmic issues, past life issues. So yes, mid at the end of the month, you are definitely going to find good blessings, good solutions in your love life. Whatever is problematic, it is going to resolve. Something is out of balance in your love life, Sagittarius, and maybe in your family or in your love or in your marriage. Yes, you are going to balance it and figure it out. What's imbalancing your life or relationships? I do feel at the end of the month there will be celebrations, yes, sometime with family or with friends, or a lover may meet face to face. Some happy dates will happen. Confessions of love are coming, yes. Someone younger, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will confess their love to you or their affection, or you may have a crush on someone, so you may say them you love them, Sagittarius, a lot is happening in this month for you, so stay positive. There is a lot happening in your love life. Something will end or shift and something will begin, so stay positive. Let's take a love message advice for love message for Sagittarius for the month of October. Wow, trust. See, this situation is calling for you to have faith. I do feel the people who are with you in October, you don't trust them very well, or they might not trust you. So, trust needs to be balanced and earned. And keep your eyes open. You are being guided, friends. You are being guided. Passion, yes, you do have the Ace of Wands, so passion will be very high. You will feel very attracted to your twin flame, your partner, your ex partner. You may be missing someone from the past also, but you will feel very passionate to them, very, very passionate towards them. It's actually a great month for you, Sagittarius. Just that some things need to balance out in this month in your love relationship. Let's see your work and career. For Sagittarius, wow, Judge, Justice. This is a big month for you, fire signs, extremely. Because we are, today is the full moon in Aries, so yeah, Two of Cups. Wow, King of Cups. You are going to do something that you really, really enjoy, friends. Ace of Cups, oh my God, friends. Sagittarius, oh my God, you are going to change your work and career. Absolutely. If you are unhappy right now, you are going to move out of it. Absolutely guaranteed, 200%, friends. Something you are going to leave regarding your work, your career, your education. Some of you could be leaving that job that sucks, that is not where you are not at all happy. Some of you could be moving to another city because where you are there is no job. Some of you could be applying to online courses. Yes, you are. Change is the theme for you. It is your mantra. Make it, write it down, say yes to new. That's your mantra for this month. And you are going to find, I think it's not just about changing cities or careers, it is about you want to find something that you enjoy. You no longer want to do something, Sagittarius, just for the sake of money or for the sake of family or meeting your financial needs. You want to do something that you enjoy, you are passionate about, you are in love with, and you are going to figure out what is it for you that you love, you desire in your work, in your career, in your education. Yes, it is going to happen. If you are in business, yes, you are going to find helpful people, contracts, partnerships which will be lifelong or which will support you in the coming future. So stay open. Good people, helpful resources, and helpful people are coming your way, Sagittarius. I also feel, friends, that some of you could be dealing with some legal issues about money, about finances. Some of you could be feeling like life is unfair when it comes to your work, when it comes to your job or money. Like you worked so much, but pay is denied, or that promotion is denied, or life, you could be more successful, but it is denied to you. You are, life is not fair, you feel. But in October, Sagittarius, you are going to get that what is destined for you. You are destined for fame. You are destined for celebration, success in your work. It is coming in October. I also feel you could be celebrating a victory in October regarding your work. Something good will happen. Maybe you will find a colleague or new friends through work, which will make you happy. Something will make you happy about your work and your education, like something is bothering you, and some by the end of October you'll feel happy and in a position of power at your work, at your career, and your education. I also feel, friends, a new relationship could or a relationship will be coming through work. So stay open for that. If you are a student, yes, you could be finding someone who will work with you, maybe someone who is senior to you or elder to you. But this person and you will work on a project like PhD or master's degree or some project, and it will be highly successful for both of you. Very successful. I do feel you teamwork will be important this month, Sagittarius. So focus on that. Focus on building your connections. And yes, if there is any money loss, if you are facing some money loss, expect that money is coming to you. If you feel like people are not giving you the money you deserve, it will be coming back, friends. It will be coming back to you. Trust me. And let's see your advice for the month of October, Sagittarius. For the month of October, for Sagittarius. Wow, man holding a coin. See, money is coming your way. All tied up attachments. Yeah, you need to let go, friends. You need to let go, Sagittarius. Something is stopping you. It could be mental fears, it could be attachments, like something is not working out, Sagittarius, and you need to change it. Maybe you feel you are too young to try out something, like you are 23 or in your 20s, so you feel scared. How will you do it? You will do it, friends. You will achieve it. I have never seen a Sagittarius scared, trust me. Restricted and blocked, yes. Frustrated, yes. And that's the sign of frustration. Attachments, number 5. I do feel, Sagittarius, you feel attached to something or somebody which is not healthy for you. Like maybe you are overworking, which is not good for you, or there is a toxic connection, or you who is into drinking or into depression or something, or you are, you just don't want to change things because you are comfortable there. So you need to. I think you are scared to say bye to the old. But I think it, you know, or there is a good connection, but you are not saying yes because of the past issues, because of your inner doubts. So you need to really clear things out, Sagittarius. You need, some things will be removed which are toxic for you, which are imbalanced for you, and if you have any health issues, they will be healed because Archangel Michael is here. Your finances will heal. I also feel if you are doubting yourself or doubting a relationship, please trust yourself and ask angels and God to help you, or watch our channel every day, friends. I post so many readings. I think it will help you. Something is going on. Something is going on. You need to release it. I think it's internally within you, not externally. Man holding a coin, definitely, friends, money issues are going to be resolved. Someone is going to offer you money or a new job or a contract, or someone will try to show you the right life path or the direction that you need to go in, like you can do this to improve your life. You also, a husband or a boss or a parent might be important this month for you, friends. So yes, Sagittarius, money is coming your way. I think you want to be rich, you want to be famous, and you want to be this man or this woman holding the coin. It is going to happen, friends, don't worry. Someone born in the February might be important for you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Friends, please do give these readings views. If you are not interested, then I might stop them, and you have to tell me what to do, because they take a lot of my time also. February is important for you. Someone born in the February torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Yeah, definitely. Something, something is confusing right now. It is going to clear up for you. Sagittarius, yes, this torch is going to shine. Teardrops, yeah, you are crying over something. There is this heartache. Mice, discord among friends or family. I think you are upset about some family misunderstanding. It may happen this month or it happened earlier in the year, like in February. Some misunderstanding with family or friends. Caterpillar, changes. A change is coming. Happiness is coming. Parrot, someone will gossip about you. I think, yeah, you are absolutely fed up of people talking about you. December is also important. So there is February and December. Leg, stepping into new experiences. Yes, it is time for you to say yes to new things. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Yes, money is coming your way. Wishes coming your way. You also have this 9 of cups. So your wishes will come true. Don't fear. Sorrow over a loss, yes, you are upset about ending something. Maybe it's your college, or it's your, maybe you're getting married, moving on, so that's what is causing you. Or maybe someone in the family is getting married. Seek out more information that will help you. Wine, yeah, it is time to learn something new also, friends, because you do have the Empress, learning something new. Be aware of greed. Yeah, you may be over ambitious this month, Sagittarius, so stay careful. You will be taken care of in a difficult situation. Yeah, you will face some difficult situations mid of the month or at the start. So don't worry, ask for support. It will be there. Younger woman, you could be dealing with a younger woman born in February or December. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. You are definitely missing someone. There is someone who is hurting, or you both are hurting each other. Major challenge to overcome. Yeah, it is a challenging situation. It will take some healing on both of your part. You are on the road to success. Definitely you will come out of that challenges. Guaranteed success. Yes, you will be extremely successful, Sagittarius. Yes, this is your month. Some changes are going to happen, some healing needs to happen, but eventually it is going to make you feel happy and productive and rich also. So congratulations. Do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Let me know if you enjoyed this reading. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.